What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to get Disney Plus into your Hisense smart TV no matter what model you are using. Now, like you already know, Disney Plus is one of the most popular streaming platforms in the world, but in most Hisense smart TV you don't get this application into the TV by default. For instance, in my Hisense Vida smart TV here, if you come to the list of apps, you won't be able to find the Disney Plus application in this smart TV. And even if you go to search for the app store in the Vida smart TV, you also will not be able to find Disney Plus in this TV. Now, I was able to come up with two solutions. First is simply for you to get a TV box, preferably a Google Chromecast. Now, if you do not know what a Google Chromecast is, it's simply a device that is officially released by Google, and what it does is simply to give you that Android operating system that enables you to have access to the Google Play Store. This makes it possible for you to get Disney Plus into your smart TV without any issue. I am going to add a link in the description of this video where you can get it at affordable price on Amazon. Just check the description of this video. You should be able to find a link that will take you to where you can actually buy this product at an affordable price. Now, another solution for those who are unable to get this device is simply to access Disney Plus using the browser that comes with your TV. Now, this actually works very well. I'm just going to take you through the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first of all, if you have a TV that has a remote like mine, for instance, you can find the browser button on the body of the remote. So once I click on this browser button here, it should be able to open up the browser on my smart TV. Now, if your remote does not have the browser button, what you want to do is simply to go to the App Store and look for the browser app, or you can just come to more apps and search for the browser app on the TV. For instance, you can see the browser app here. Now, once you open it, it will take a while for it to load. Now, this is the Hisense browser. Now, once you open it, you can just go to the browser. Now, search for Disney Plus. Now, it's going to open Disney Plus on the browser, and you can just click on the first link, and you should be able to see all of the countries where Disney Plus is available. Now, for instance, I am in Africa, and if I want to choose my country, say South Africa. Now, it's going to take a while for it to load. Now, it opens Disney Plus for me to be able to access. Now, this actually functions exactly as the Disney Plus app. The only thing is that this method is a little bit slower, but you can literally do anything that you want to do on the official Disney Plus app from the Hisense TV browser. So if I want to say watch a movie trailer, I do not have an account, but if I want to watch this movie trailer, I can just click on this movie here. Now, it's going to take a while for it to load, but I should be able to watch the trailer. So I can watch the trailer, and trust me, it is actually fast and smooth when you start watching the movie. But the only problem is that when you're trying to navigate through the app, it's a little bit slower. So if I click on watch trailer, okay, so you can see that I can simply watch a movie from the Hisense Vida browser. And if you have an account on Disney Plus, you can simply log in from the browser as well. You can also go through all of the movies that are available on Disney Plus. It is actually fast. It is not, lagging or something. It's actually fast. The only place you might have an issue is trying to navigate, because it takes a while for you to, use the remote to, scroll through all of the TV. Okay guys, so that is simply how to get Disney Plus in your Hisense smart TV, irrespective of the operating system that your TV has. The browser option is actually a very good option, but if you're not comfortable with this and you want a better experience, you can just use the Google Chromecast, and I have added the link in the description of this video where you can get it at an affordable price. So do make sure you check it out from Amazon. Trust me, it is a very good one.